Alright guys, so this is my end of the year little project that I started, and it's now halfway done, and I'm hoping that this is going to help clean up the garage and help me get to the Mustang so I can be able to do more things to the Mustang and have more room in the garage to work around the Mustang. Alright, so let me show you what it looks like and you guys can let me know what you think. So here's the place above the garage. You can see that on the left side it's kind of messy because there's stuff all over the place here, and now I put the floor in, so now I can start putting things, organizing things. And before I put the floor in, it was just sheetrock, so if I put something heavy or put something in the weird way, it might break the sheetrock, might fall through the ceiling. But now that I have plywood down, I can organize things, put things a little better, and it'll be a lot easier to get to them because I can walk on the floor now. So I'm only halfway done, and then I gotta do the other side and then start maybe even throwing away some things, because a lot of the stuff we don't use, we don't need, we're gonna donate it, see what we can do with it. And also, to get the plywood up here, I had to cut it in 4x8s, and I will be able to remove these panels right here, and I'm gonna put LED lights into the ceiling. And then once that's done, I'm gonna start cleaning the garage more, and we'll make it as clean as possible around the Mustang, around the Eleanor, so I can start working on the project in 2019, which is already 2019. So guys, Happy New Year. Thanks for watching this little video. Matthew's sick, so we couldn't really go anywhere, so we were just kind of playing around the house. I was doing this stuff, wife was making some food, so I was kind of back and forth, but it turned out to be productive and fun. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Subscribe, hit the like button, and we'll see you on the next one. See ya!